Right, let's have a look at these. Verify that x equals 1 and y equals 2 is a solution. So let's have a look at that. I'll just overwrite it to save space. So 3 times 1, oh, write it in a different color. 3 times 1 plus 4 times 2 equals 11. Yeah, 4 2s are 8, 3 1s are 3, 8 and 3 is 11. And 2 times 1 plus 3 times 2, 6 plus 2 is 8. So that's fine. Okay, minus 1 and 3, minus 1 and 3, and minus 1 and 3. So let's work out what they are then. Minus 2 plus 9, 9 minus 2 is 7. And this one, minus 5 plus 6 is 1. So here, 1, 2 and 3. So 1, 2, 3. So we got 1, 7 is 8. 8 and, no, hang on. 6 and 1 is 7. And another 6. 6 is 12. 12 and 1 is 13. And then we've got 1, 2, and 3. 9, 11. 9, 7, because it's a minus. Oh, these cancel and leaves 9. So that's okay. And then 1, 2, and 3. So it's 3, 7, minus 3 is 4. Okay, good. So we just verified those. I overwrote it to save space. So we're going to use solving these simultaneous equations now. We'll find solutions for these. So the first method then is to rearrange for x in the first equation. Label this 1, label this 2. X 11 minus 4y. So we move the 4y over to minus 4y, and then we've got 3x here in our mind's eye. But we can move that 3 down once. Now we move the 4y over. The 3 that's here from times can be moved straight away down to divide, can't it? So 2 of x plus 3y equals 8. So the x that we've obtained from this equation we substitute in now in place of the x in the second. So put it in over 3. And what we could do is times all the way through by 3, couldn't we? That'd be nice and easy, wouldn't it? So 3 of these would just leave the top bit, which we can expand as 22 minus 8y. So I've expanded the bracket now. Times by 3 of these plus 9y is equal to 3 of these is 24. So I did 2 steps in 1 to save space, but I just times everything by 3, here, here, and here. But instead of writing this times this, the 3's cancelled. I wrote 2 11s minus 8y. So we got y then on this side is equal to 24. And then move the 22 over to minus 22, so y equals 2. And so x equals, let's put it up here, 11 minus 4 2s are 8 over 3. 3 over 3 is 1. X equals 1, y equals 2. So that was method 1. Now let's have a look at method 2 then. Just get a little bit more room. Method 2. Okay, let's have a go at that. Okay, so here what we do is we have 1 and 2, and this is the more usual method. It's slightly easier most times to solve it using this method. This is 3x, this is 2x. Well, it's easy to get rid of them if we make them both 6, isn't it? Because 3 and 2 go into 6. So if we doubled this equation and tripled this one, so 1 times 2. So double this all the way through. 2 of these equals 2 of these, doesn't it? Label that 3, and 3 of these. So 3 times equation 2 gives 6x, 9y, 3 of those, equals 3 of these, 24. Okay, now we've done that, these are the same and we can take one from the other. Because this is a bigger amount than this, it's better to take 4 minus 3. And that gives, this take this cancels, this take this is just y. 9y take 8y. 24 take 22 is 2. So we get y equals 2. And then we have to sub it into either 1, 2, 3 or 4 to get x. So here if we look in sub in 2, we see that I'll put up here 2x is equal to 8 minus 3y. And y equals 2, so it's 8 minus 6, which equals 2. So 2x equals 2 then. So x, move the 2 down to divide, and you see 2 over 2 is 1. Okay, x equals 1, y equals 2 is the solution. So that's the more popular method for solving these equations. Let's have a look at this equation now, using both methods, and see how it works out. Okay, so label that 1 and label that 2. The first thing is to get x, so 7 minus 3y. 2x equals 7 minus 3y. So x is equal to 7 minus 3y over 2, isn't it? Move the 2 down from times to divide on the other side. Sub in 2 gives then 5x plus 2y equals 1. The x value we can put in is 7 minus 3y over 2. Times everything by 2. So the 2's will then cancel and we'll get 5 lots of this, which is 35 minus 15y. 2 lots of this is 4y. And 2 lots of this is 2. Minus 15y, that's minus 11y. So I'm going to move that to plus 11y. I'll write it over there. And I'm going to move the 2 over there. 35 minus 2 is 33. 11y is 33. Move the 11 down. 33 over 11 is 3. So x equals 7 minus 3y. 3y, y is 3. 7 minus 9. 3 is a 9. Over 2. Minus 2 over 2 is minus 1. X equals minus 1. So that was the first method. Okay, let's have a look at the second method now. So I'm going to scratch this and do the second method, which is most times the preferable method as far as I'm concerned anyway. So I'm going to scratch this now. See if we get the same answers. So we can either do 2 5s or 3 2s. I'm going to do 2 5s. They both go into 10. So if I scale this up by 5, 5 of these is 10x, 5 of these is 15y, and 5 of these is 35. 2 of these, so 2 times 2, double all the way through, double of this is 10x, double this is 4y, and scale this up by 2, or double it is 2, that's number 4. Now these are the same, we can take them away. This is bigger than that, so 3 take 4. So 3 take 4 on this side, these will cancel, and it'll be 15 minus 4 is 11y. And this take this is 33. And we can see y is equal to 33 over 11 then, can't we, which is 3, which is what we had before. Also, so x then, we'll get it from 1. 1 gives 2x equals 7 minus 3y. Y is 3. 7 minus 9 is minus 2. So x equals minus 1 then. Okay, good. So that's the same answer but using the alternative method. Now let's go back to this problem here. I'll put the workings up here to start with, and then I'll scratch this in a moment. 2 apples, 2 apples and 3 bananas. Let's write it like that for 65p. And Bob bought 1 apple, 4 bananas for 70p. What are the prices? Well, if we double this one, these will be the same then, won't they? So 2a plus 8b equals 140, and that's number 3. Now they're the same. We don't need to It's nice and easy, this problem. We can take them away. This is bigger than that one, isn't it? So 3 take 1 then. Gives this take these. The 2a's cancel. 8b take 3b is 5b. And we got 140 take 65 is 75. So B, the bananas, will be 75 over 5 is 15 pence. Okay, and we can get A from 2, because A is equal to 70 minus 4B. So A is equal to 4B. 4 15s are 60, 70 minus 60 is 10. And we can check our answer, can't we? Because 2A's are 20, and 3B's are 45. That would be 65B. And a 10 plus a 4B is 60 is 70p, so they all work out fine. So the answers are correct. We checked it with the inputs.